Morning, dear students. We are going through the story The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. So far, we have read once there lived an old couple. They had a pet dog. They loved the dog as if it were their baby. The dog was called Muko. The old man was a rice farmer. He worked hard with his spade from morning to sunset in his fields. The dog also followed him to the fields. One day, the dog started scratching the ground. The farmer thought that there was bits of fish or bone. He started digging the ground, and what did he find? He found a lot of gold. Then the jealous neighbors also got to know about this incident. They called Muko into their garden. They gave him tasty food to eat, hoping that he would find gold for them also. The dog reached the pine tree and began to scratch the ground. But what did they find there? They found a dead, foul-smelling kitten. Foul-smelling means bad-smelling kitten. The wicked man got angry and he killed the dog. Now next part. When the farmer got to know about the death of the dog, he mourned for him as if he had been his own child. Mourned for means he felt very sorry. He felt deep sorrow for his dog. At night, they went under the pine tree. There, they set up some bamboo tubes to make tomb and put fresh flowers and water on its tomb. They laid tray of food on the grave and burned sticks of incense. Then the spirit of Muko appeared to the old farmer in a dream. It asked him to cut down the pine tree over its grave. Then make a mortar. Mortar means a bowl for rice pastry and a mill for his bean sauce. Soon the old farmer made a hollow place 2 feet long in the tree trunk and made a ball. Then he, with his wife, made a hammer of wood for pounding rice. As New Year was approaching, they baked the rice pastry and suddenly the whole mass changed into gold. Then the old woman took mill, filled it with beans and began to grind. What did she see? She saw rain of gold. Now the old man was rich again. The jealous old couple noticed bean sauce turning into gold. Next day, the neighbors also did the same, but their pastry and sauce turned into worms. Worms means small insects. They destroyed the mill and borrowed from the old couple and burnt it. Then the old man had another dream. The spirit of their pet dog told him to take the ashes of the mill and spread it on the withered pine trees. Withered means dry. He assured him that they would bloom again. The old man went to the wicked neighbor's house. He saw the miserable old couple. Miserable means unhappy. Old couple sitting by the fireplace. The good old man politely asked for the ashes of the mill. The covetous couple, covetous means greedy couple, turned up their noses and misbehaved with him. Then they allowed him to fill his basket with ashes. The good old man came back home and along with his wife he went into the garden. There he saw their favorite cherry trees was bare, without flowers. He spread a pinch of ashes on the cherry tree. The cherry tree was covered with blossoms. Blossoms means flowers. The greedy, wicked couple gathered the remaining ashes of the wooden mill and kept them to make dry trees blossom. The old wicked man thought that he will do the same. He will also sprinkle the ashes on the cherry tree, and the cherry tree will bloom again. That is all for today. Have a nice day.